But I had found out in my searching that Shea Tannenbaum, the youngest son, was a writer, and um, he lived in New City. He never got married. He never had any kids. The love of his life was writing. And so I looked all over the internet and collected all of his books, 27 of them that I know of. I found his bibliography with the Library of Congress or something, and that's how I found all the books. And didn't know how to read Hebrew or Yiddish except for my bat mitzvah. But my bat mitzvah taught me the alphabet, and so when I got these books, I found out that a lot of it were family stories. They're all written in short stories, and there were stories about family members. And so I got inspired to try to translate, and it was very hard. I start with the words that I remember, and then as soon as I come to a word that I don't know, I highlight it and I go to either the online dictionary or one of the hard copy dictionaries, and if I can't find it, I'll go to the Hebrew dictionary or the Polish English dictionary. And then if I can't find it at all, I type it in capital letters phonetically and I wait till later, and maybe, just maybe, when I go back, I might figure out what it is by context. And if not, and the sentence doesn't really matter that much, or he's said it already in a different way, I'll take it right out.